I told you this property, mod of x is equal to x when x greater than or equal to 0 and minus x when x less than 0. And next one is under root of x square can be written as mod of x. I will tell generalized form of properties of property of this one. First, let us do some questions based on these two properties. So, let's say solve question on this property. I told you basic questions on first property. I will tell some more good level questions based on first property. First, let's solve this one. So, if I tell you solve x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Let's say solve this question. Then how will you solve this question? So this question can be solved by many methods. First method, method 1. Method 1 is what? We can use, let's say write this one also. Mod of x square is equal to can be written as x square. Write this one more property. Mod of x square can be written as x square. So this question can be written as method 1, x square minus 5 of mod x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then this can be written as what? Mod of x whole square minus 5 mod x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now this can be solved by factorizing. Let's say mod x is equal to t. Then this will be t square minus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. And solution of this one will be what? T is equal to 2 or 3. You can solve by factorizing or by discriminant method. So solution of this one will be t is equal to 2 or 3. Now t is what? Mod of x. So this one can be written as mod x is equal to 2 or mod x is equal to 3. And I told you this property, if mod x is equal to k and k is positive, then this x can be written as what? Mod plus minus of k. Solution of this one will be what? X is equal to plus minus 2 or from here x is equal to plus minus of 3. So total solutions will be what? So answer is what? Answer is x is equal to minus 3, minus 2 and 2 or 3. So these are the answers in this case. Now the same question we can solve by another method. I am telling you all possibilities. So this question can be solved by another method. Let's say solve by using first property. Mod x can be written as what? This can be written as x when x greater than or equal to 0 and minus x when x less than 0. Right? So we can use here case 1, case first, when x greater than or equal to 0. If x is greater than or equal to 0, then mod of x can be written as what? Mod of x can be written as x if x greater than or equal to 0. So this equation x minus 5x mod x plus 6 is equal to 0 can be written as what? X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So solution of this one will be what? X is equal to 2 or 3. So answer is 2 or 3, but we have to check whether these answers belong to this inequality or not. So a condition is what? X is greater than or equal to 0. So 2 and 3 both lie in this interval. So our answer is this one is correct now. Now case second. What can be the case second? When x less than 0. When case is what? X less than 0. That means second case. Then this modulus can be written as what? Minus of x. So this one, x square minus 5 of mod x plus 6 is equal to 0 can be written as what? X square minus 5 into minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. That means this is what? X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So solve this one, you will get minus 2 or minus 3. But the solution should belong to this interval x less than 0. So both answers belong to this interval. So this answer is also correct. Finally, we have to take union of these two cases. So x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 3 are the 4 answers of this one. So answer of this one is what? Answer of this one is x is equal to minus 3, minus 2, 2 or 3. This is the answer for this inequality. Now next one. Next question we can solve this one. Question number 2. Let's say solve this question. Solve. Now x square minus 5x mod plus 6 less than or equal to 0. What will be the solution of this inequality? Then how will you solve this one? Or let's say some change here. X square minus, let's say here 2x minus 3 mod plus 6 is equal to 0. Solve this question. Then how will you solve this question? So here there is a different expression inside modulus 2x minus 3 and here it is x square. So in this case we have to break this modulus. So how will you solve this question? So here mod of 2x minus 3 can be written as what? 2x minus 3 if 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0 and minus of 2x minus 3 if 2x minus 3 less than 0. This is the modulus property of this one by using first property. So we can solve this question by using this property. So how will you solve this question? So now this is case 1. If 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0, that means x is what? X is greater than or equal to 3 by 2. This is the condition. So if we are applying this condition, then this modulus can be written as like this one. So this equation x square minus 5, this modulus can be written as 2x minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. Right? So this one, now simplify this one. I am writing this from here. So this is x square minus 10x and plus 15 plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is x square minus 10x plus this is what? 21 is equal to 0. Now solve this expression. So how will you solve this expression? By using discriminant method. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So this is what? 10 plus minus of root 100 minus this is how much? This is 84 divided by 2. So this is equal to 10 plus minus of 100 minus 84 is what? Under root of 16. This will be how much? 16 by 2. So this is equal to 10 plus minus of 4 by 2. That means x is equal to what? 10 plus 4 by 2 or 10 minus 4 by 2. That means x will be equal to what? 7 or 3. So these are the two answers. X will be equal to 7 or 3. But these answers should belong to this interval. So 3 and 7 both lie in this interval x greater than or equal to 3. So these two answers are correct. These two answers are the solution of this one in case 1. So I am writing answer in case 1. Case 1 answer is what? For this case 1 answer is x is equal to 7 or 3. Now we can use here case second. Case second, if 2x minus 3 is less than 0, that means x is what? Less than 3 by 2. Then how will you solve this? Then this modulus can be written as like this one. So here it will be what? Plus sign, because if you write this as this one, then minus is already here and minus will become from this one, so it will be plus. Now simplify this one. So this will be x square plus 10x minus 15 plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is x square plus 10x and this is what? Minus 9 is equal to 0. Now simplify this one. So this will be is equal to what? Minus 10 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divide by 2. So simplify this one. So b will get what? If you simplify this one, b will get minus plus minus of root. This will be how much? This will be 25 plus this will be what? 9. So this is minus 5 plus minus of root 34. So answer are coming what? Minus 5 minus root 31 or minus 5 plus root 31. So these are the two answers in case second, but these two answers should lie in this interval x less than 3 by 2. So we have to check. Minus 5 minus root 31 will be how much? Near about, this is root 31 is how much? 5 point something, so it will be minus 10 point something. So this answer lie in this interval. So this is correct answer. Now this one will be how much? This is the 5 point something, and if you subtract minus 5, it will be less than one number, and in point some number less than minus 5 plus root 31 lie between 0 to 1 in interval 0 to 1, and that answer lie in this interval. So this answer is also correct. So both answers are correct. So total solutions are caused for this solution. Answer is what? X is equal to 3 or 7 or this is minus 5 minus root 31 or minus 5 plus root 31. So these are the answers. Answer of this question. Now if we apply inequality, let's say here, if we apply, let's say here less than or equal to 0 or greater than or equal to 0 or less than or greater than 0, this type of inequality if you apply, then how will you solve this? This type of inequality we can solve by the same method, by using the first property. So how will you solve this type of question? This modulus can be written as what? This modulus 2x minus 3 mod can be written as what? 2x minus 3 if 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0, and minus of 2x minus 3 if 2x minus 3 less than 0. If we solve, if you use property of modulus, we can break this modulus in this type. Now we can use property of this one in solving this question. So how will you solve solution? How will you solve this question? Case 1, case first, if 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0, then this modulus can be written like this one. So this minus of 5 minus 2x minus 3 mod plus 6 less than or equal to 0 can be written as what? X square minus 5 2x minus 3 plus 6 less than or equal to 0. So this will be how much? X square minus 10x plus 21 less than 0. And what was the factor of this one? Roots was 7 and 3. So this can be written as what? X minus 7 into x minus 3 and less than or equal to 0. So answer of this one will be what? 3 to 7. Now the condition is what? X greater than or equal to 3 by 2. Now we have to take intersection between this and this one. So final answer will be what? In case 1, x less than or equal to 7 greater than or equal to 3, intersection x greater than or equal to 3 by 2. If you take intersection, first one is what? This inequality is 3 by 2 to greater, and this one is what? 3 to 7. Next one is 3 to 7. This one first and this one second. So this one is what? Second, and this one is first. If you take intersection between these two, answer will be what? 3 to 7. That means this answer is from case 1. Now solve by using the second case. In case first, answer is 3 to 7. I am writing here. Case 1 answer is what? X belongs to 3 to 7. Now we can solve case second. So what will be the case second? Case second, if x less than 0, then it will be what? X less than 3 by 2. And what will be the changes in the inequality? We can write here mod of 2x minus 3, if 2x minus 3 less than 0, then this mod can be written like this one. So this can be written as x square minus 5 into minus of 2x minus 3 plus 6 less than or equal to 0. So this will be what? X square plus 10x minus 15. Then this will be what? Minus 15 plus 6 less than or equal to 0. So this will be x square plus 10x, and then here it will be what? Minus 9 less than or equal to 0. Now what was the factors? If you factorize, it will be x plus 5 plus root 31, and another x plus 5 minus root 31 is what? Less than or equal to 0. We solved this one by factorizing in the previous case. Then it was equal to 0. So this solution will be what? X less than or equal to minus 5 plus root 31, and here it will be minus 5 minus root 31 greater than or equal to 0. Now we have to take intersection between this and this inequality. So what will be the answer? Let's see. First, we have to take intersection between what? X less than 3 by 2. So let's say here 3 by 2 minus x minus, this will be minus x minus 3 by 2 minus root 31, and minus 5 plus root 31 lie in this interval. Let's say here this is minus 5 plus root 31, and here it will be 3 by 2. 3 by 2. The first answer is this one, second answer is this one. So if you take intersection is where? In this interval. So answer is what? X less than or equal to minus 5 plus root 31 and greater than or equal to minus 5 minus root 31. This answer is from case second. We are finding this answer from case second. So case second answer is what? X belongs to minus 5 minus root 31 comma minus 5 plus root 31. This is the answer from case second. Now we have to take intersection between, now we have to take union of both cases. So final answer will be what? Final answer will be x belongs to what? Minus 5 minus root 31 comma minus 5 plus root 31 union 3 to 7. So this is the answer of this one. This is the final answer. Now we will discuss more question based on this property.